Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I am so excited for today's video. I'm actually going to be showing you guys something super cool. We're going to be doing a day to night makeup look. So you're getting 2 makeup looks in one video. And we're using something just like crazy special. Something I am so excited about. Ta-da! Oh, you can't even see it. This month I partnered with Deck of Scarlet to be their artist-in-chief, which is super exciting, which means I have my own palette and it is so freaking cool. So perfect for fall. It's like spooky glam. I freaking love it. This is my little artist card that will come in the box if you guys do purchase Deck of Scarlet. It has a little quote from me. I am unbelievably excited, you guys. Thank you so much to Deck of Scarlet for letting me be one of their artist-in-chiefs for this month. You guys have seen me use Deck of Scarlet for years on my channel. I've always been a fan. I'm always supporting all the other artists-in-chiefs, so I feel super honored to be this month's artist-in-chief. It's really cool, especially because it's my wedding month. It just feels like really special. So I'm going to tell you guys all about my palette. Like I said, we're going to do 2 looks in one video using it. If you do purchase Deck of Scarlet, it'll come just like this. It's actually a subscription box, so you guys can save 35% off with my code SHAY35. Deck of Scarlet has always done these really cool artist-in-chief palettes, but lately they've been launching some other things too. They have different trend kits, full face palettes, we've seen lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, a lot of beautiful makeup coming from Deck of Scarlet. I'm excited to see what they do next, and their stuff is all really affordable, $29.95, which is less than a lot of items even at Sephora. You have a few days to skip it if you want to, but I really never do. Everything you get is full size. It's a really good value. My set this month comes with the palette and a black eye kajal, which is perfect once you see my shadows. Oh my gosh. And again, like I said, they have new products every single month, you guys. It's always something really cool, so you don't get stuck with the same things over and over and over. It's always something new. This is the Oracle palette. How cool is this packaging? I'm just like obsessed with it. It comes in this really pretty little sleeve and you slide it out and it looks like this. There's a moon. I mean, it's just everything. And this is what the shadows look like. I mean, it's everything we love. We have mattes, we have beautiful shimmers, really gorgeous deep fall colors, very rich colors. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so crazy about this palette and I'm so excited that it's mine, and I'm clearly beaming. I'm really excited. So if you guys are ready, let's get on to look number 1 with the Oracle palette. And again, if you want to check out Deck of Scarlet, I will link them down below. You guys can use my discount code SHAY35 for 35% off your first month subscription. All right, so I want to start out with a bit more of a daytime look. I want to first jump into the shade Tarot. This is a matte, and if you guys were wondering, Deck of Scarlet is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. They are now officially vegan, which is really exciting for all my vegan viewers. We're just popping this in our transition. Their shadows are super creamy, very buttery, and that just gives the most beautiful natural light transition color. I love that. It's just a nice neutral peach, very light. Next, we're gonna go into the shade Sacred. This is kind of like a warm orangey brown. Perfect for fall. Can you guys believe fall is like right around the freaking corner? I already have my flannel on today. I cannot wait any longer. I'm like, let's go. I am ready. I had my first pumpkin coffee this weekend and it was everything. I love how like we all just love fall so much. I mean, well, Alok actually hates fall and it drives me nuts. He just doesn't like the weather getting cold again. And I'm like, yes, bring it on. It's so exciting. And he's like grumpy about it. But I feel like a lot of us, like, we just live for fall and it's exciting. It almost feels like it's a new chapter, you know what I mean? I love a season change. I think a season change feels just as good as like a big life change, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm running Sacred through the crease, warm that up. You guys know I described this shade in other videos as kind of like a puppy brown. I have my ideal puppy brown shade, layering that into the transition. Perfect, subtle, exactly what I'm going for. Next, we're gonna pop into the shade Omen, which is a nice medium brown. It's kind of like a purpley brown. Very neutral. Popping that in the outer V. I'm gonna challenge myself to not get over smoky, because you know I love a good smoky eye. I'm gonna save that for our evening look. I don't do enough of these day to night videos. It's fun kind of transforming the same look into a completely different look. And I'm just marrying this on this outer half of my lid, reminding myself not too smoky, Shay. It's hard for me. Okay, even this might be a little smoky, but I can't go any less smoky than this. I just can't. I'm a smoky girl. It is so hard to only do 2 looks in this video. I don't want to make the video too long, but definitely count on many more looks with this palette this month because I have so many freaking ideas I can't even contain it. Next, I want to take the black eye kajal, or black kajal, liner. I think I'm saying that wrong. This is like so me. I love that it's in my set this month. I'm gonna tightline my upper lash line with this, and it can get a little messy because we're gonna smudge it on our lid. So don't worry if it gets onto your eyelid. That's the best part about these big liner crayons. You guys know I love a smudgy, grungy look, and this is the perfect way to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line with it as well. Just smudge it in with your finger, and now I'm gonna pop a little more on that lash line. Just like that, and I'm going to take an angled shadow brush and smudge it in. The Kajals are amazing for smudgy grunginess. Just like so, and this one's really cool. You guys might notice there's a little gold shimmer in it. It's really, really pretty. And then on top of that, I'm just taking the same shade Omen that we have in our crease, and I want to use that to lock in that eyeliner, but also smoke out that lash line a little bit. Oh, you guys know I love a smoky lash line. I think I've decided that's what I'm going to do for my wedding makeup. I have more hooded eyelids, so it looks a little bit better than me doing a heavy wing or a heavy black gel. And then from there, you guys, I just want to pop our finger back into the shade Tarot. It is so buttery soft. You have no idea. And pop that on the inner center. So smoothing it over our smoky lash line and just brightening up this little section here. And if you got a little over smoky, this is a good way to clean it back up. Quick and easy. Just like so. I love the simplicity of this makeup, how fast it is, but yet super daytime glam. Now I want to smudge Omen into the lower lash line. Just to set in that eye kajal. The kajals are a little more movable, so sometimes they can transfer around. So just smoking that on top of that liner. I love it! Okay, let's throw on some mascara. I'm excited to show you guys how to kind of transfer this eye look to nighttime without needing to remove anything, you know, using the same palette, and to have like two completely different looks. It's gonna be fun. Just like that. Isn't that perfect? I think that's such a good daytime smoky eye. I always feel the best when I have a little dimension and a little depth to my eye looks, but you don't always want something too aggressive. For me, this is a happy medium, and it's fast and it's quick and it's easy. For this, I would just pop on kind of like a peachy nude lip. You can really do anything, it's neutral enough. I am feeling so fall today. I feel like $1,000,000. I can't even tell you. So you guys, that is it for look number 1 using my palette. I'm gonna show you guys now how you can transform this look into an evening look. Alright, so let's take this look to a night look. We're first gonna go ahead and take our eye kajal again. If you want to remove your shadow, you can. You don't have to. We're gonna take this crayon and go right on top of the lid, completely covering the lid, just like so. You can really see the gold glitters now. I would go about to the crease. I love the gold glitters in here. Do you see? They're so beautiful. Taking a synthetic brush, you can also use your finger. We're going to smudge out the edge of that liner so it has a nice fade, just so it's not overly harsh. It just kind of blends in. And you want to work a little quickly before this dries, because we are going to set something on top of it. Just like so. It smudges really nicely. Honestly, you could just leave it with the black and put a color in the crease. I love how that black kajal looks, but I want to add this beautiful plummy navy. This shade is called Voodoo. It is a matte. And I want to, oh, it is so beautiful. I want to pop this on the outer half. We're going to blend it into the crease, but really just worry about placement right now, and a little bit on the inner corner as well. This looks really cool because you still see the gold shimmer popping through. Taking our blending brush again, I want to work that around and smooth out those edges. Now I'm getting my smoky on. I love this color because it's not too blue, you know what I mean, or too purple. It's like mysterious. I love it. I want to go into Sorceress, which is a metallic plum, and pop that right in the center to give a little more dimension. And it looks so good in the middle. So pat that right on top and just fade that in to Voodoo. I mean, it is just cool, you guys. Now, same thing on the other eye. I'm blending out that black kajal. Like I said, you could just do the black kajal and maybe set it with a little bit of black shadow because I love the gold glitter in it so much. But you also still kind of get it through the matte shadows on top of it, so it kind of looks like a starry sky. I don't know. I love it. It's really dreamy. And now popping Voodoo on top. And I do take Voodoo a little bit past the black so that it'll blend into the crease. And then going into Sorceress in the center. Such a beautiful kind of eggplant, really like mysterious color. And then blending out Voodoo. You guys can also dip back into Omen if you need a little more shade to work with to blend. all around those edges, smoky smoky. I'm so excited that really like dark makeup looks are almost back. I mean, it's almost fall. I can't stop talking about it clearly. I can't wait, you guys. I missed it. It's like when I come alive. And then on lips, because the eyes are so bold and amazing, I just want to keep it nude. And that is it for this look, you guys. What do you think? I freaking love it. I'm feeling like myself. I love that this isn't your traditional like black smoky eye. We have blue, we have purple, some really beautiful tones, that sparkle coming from the Ica gel. It is freaking gorgeous if I do say so myself. And I couldn't have done it without the Oracle palette by Deck of Scarlet. There's so many other beautiful shades we didn't even get to use in this video. Like I said, I'm gonna have more tutorials this month because I have so many other ideas in mind. I mean, there's nudes, burgundy, silver, red, green. All of your fall necessities are in this palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. Huge thank you again to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring me and letting me be the artist-in-chief for this month. It means a lot to me. I'm just really, really excited. Again, my palette is available through this month. I will have it linked down below for you guys, and it does come with the Ica gel as well. It's a really good value, and I'm just really proud and really excited. So I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Again, thank you, Deck of Scarlet. Thank you guys for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!